Okay, so let me tell you, today we go for a group discussion. I will give you a topic on which we are to discuss. Let me brief you before we start and we start practicing the discussion. I will give you a topic and I will give 2 minutes to each one of you to speak on that topic. So your starting line, all of you know, starting lines are good evening friends, my name is this and I initiate the discussion. Topic for the discussion given is this, and after that you have to speak some lines which should actually give some kind of overall view of the topic, how you should discuss and what you want that the group should discuss. So that overline view should be like what you want others to speak, what you want what others should speak. That should be the couple of lines you have to say. And then if you want to say something about that point, you say, and then you say, okay friends, I'm very sure you have a couple of points to add here, and now I welcome all of you to participate in the discussion. And then I open the house for the discussion. That is how you have to speak out, right? That is the introduction part. Then I'll give you 10 minutes to discuss among yourself. In that 10 minutes you have to be active so that you speak continuously. You talk to others, you listen to others, you agree with them, you disagree with them, you nod. आप अपना नॉडिंग करें, यस करें, नो करें, एक्टिव रहें, डायनेमिक रहें. दैट इज व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. एंड थर्ड इज कंक्लूजन, वेयर यू हैव टू कंक्लूड द डिस्कशन फॉर एंटायर हाउस. सबके लिए आपको कंक्लूज करना है, जितने भी हैं सबके लिए आप कंक्लूजन करोगे. So that is whatever others have said, you will conclude on their behalf. That is how it is going to be. So this is how we are going to basically participate. And if you have anything to ask before I start, I will give you a topic and then we start discussion. Anything you want to say or ask. These all rules we have discussed previously also. I think now we should speak. And let me remind you, the group discussion में सबसे important होता है बोलना. You need to speak. If you don't speak, you get 0. You need to speak, good bad जैसा भी बोलना है, लेकिन you need to speak. That is the most important part of group discussion. Anything you want to ask? Fine. So should I give you the topic now? Okay, let me give you the topic then. Practice makes a man perfect. Practice makes a man perfect. Practice makes the man perfect. Practice makes the man perfect. That is the topic. Practice makes the man perfect. So think over it and then we start it.
सर स्टार्टिंग में खुद का इंट्रोडक्शन देना है या सीधा टॉपिक का ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन?
अभी आप बाकियों का सुनना, जैसा बाकी बोलेंगे वैसा बोलने की ट्राई करना नितेश.
ठीक है
sir.
Yeah.
Sir, there is an issue with my video. Whenever I am opening my on my video, everyone's voice is like, but while I'm switching off my video, everyone's voice is clear. So what should I do?
Switch off the video and keep participating.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I think we should start, and I start from Hrishikesh. Hrishikesh, you are mute. I can't hear you.
Trial version.
Yeah. Hrishikesh, you are not audible. Just try, Hrishikesh, you are not audible. Kunal, please start. In the meantime, Hrishikesh, check.
Okay, good evening all. My name is Kunal. Today topic given to discussion is practice makes man perfect. I think this is a very needful and related topic to everyone, and we should we should discuss this topic in to the various aspects, in a field of various field, in like in field of cricket, how the cricketers practice and they gets perfect, how the Bollywood stars they practice and they master in their skills, how the student practice for their exams or the competition which they are in, and that practice helps them to be perfect. This various things need to be discussed, and what I think about the topic is that the practice is the most important and relevant thing to master any skill. So how much you will be practicing the everything, then you will be getting better in that. Day by day you practice and you will be better in that. So I open the discuss house for everyone to discuss, and expect to get various points on this topic. Thank you.
Okay, Rupen, go ahead.
Good evening, friends. Myself, Rupen Kumar Priya. I am glad to start the discussion. Friends, the topic given to us for discussion is practice makes a man perfect. I think this is very interesting and needful topic. I say that I know that we know that practice is the key role to get success. Without practice, a man cannot get a success. So a person have to get success. They must have to get practice. People people have to start new work with practice. Without practice, there is a chance of error is very high. Without practice, a man got many very various errors. First of all, some person have to do practice in every aspects of life, like in playing, like in reading, like in every work. Practice is great role. So I open the discussion, open the room for for all friends to start the discussion. Thank you.
Okay, now Hirishkesh, you are there.
Yes, sir. I'm audible.
Go ahead. Huh?
Yeah. So, hello everyone. I am Rishikesh Pawar, and I take this opportunity to start our discussion. So, today our topic of discussion is practice makes man perfect. So, I think it's one of the interesting topic that we could have. And also, in my opinion, practice is something that you are doing repeatedly. So, I think by practice you are getting that experience. And if we talk about the results that we want to achieve, that will be get with the practice and with getting that exercise or getting that things repeatedly right. So I think yes, there has to need of a practice to get a successful, because we have seen a lot of examples. If we talk about the sports industry, so how the sports persons are practicing for getting that success, not only in the sports industry, but also we know that if we talk about the Bollywood, so uh, how the actors are practicing their act. So I think yeah, if we go in whichever of the sector, so practice is very much important to get success. And I think that we should discuss about what are the other aspects are also there apart from the practice, and how practice is how practice is important. So I think yes, so this is very interesting topic, and I hope every one of you have a very good examples to quote upon. And I like to open this discussion for I like to open this forum for further discussion.
Okay, Manu.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Manu. The topic given to us is practice makes a man perfect. This is a very interesting and significant topic to discuss with, uh, especially because practice means working on your field repeatedly and constantly so that you become very good at that field. And many eminent persons like A.R. Rahman in the field of music and P.V. Sindhu in the field of athletics have told about this importance of practice. And practicing is basically like polishing a knife so that it can be very effective in cutting things. So it's very important in shaping a human's future. So I'm sure that we'll be having several ideas to discuss in this topic. And I open this house for discussion for all of us.
Okay, Ashutosh.
Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Ashutosh Verma. Let me start the group discussion. The topic for discussion is given to us for the discussion is practice makes man perfect. in my opinion, it is very interesting and it is very serious. It is very interesting topic. I believe that practice makes man perfect because practice is the only thing which is very practical. It is not limited to any professional. If we talk about student, the day-to-day life activity, the method of studying various subjects is called practice. If we talk about any artist, with the thing they are doing in daily life, they are improving themselves in day-to-day life. It is also a type of practice. If we talk about housewives, they make they manage their house, they cook food for their homes, so it is also kind of practice. So practice is not a specific not a professional domain. It is very open field for all. So I would like all of you to invite and open this house to give your opinion.
Okay, Tane Das.
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Tanay Dash. I would like to thank Mr. Coordinator, sir, for giving me this opportunity to speak something about this topic. The topic is practice makes a man perfect. So I would like to say some introduction part. See, you should be hopeful firstly, and you should have your positivity and believe in yourself before practicing. Okay, and practice is the first step before achieving any goal. So before achieving, if you have ups and downs, then you can get your achievement nearer and easier. Thus, I would like to just start the group discussion and make just room for everyone to speak to and start the discussion. And I think the discussion will be fruitful.
Okay. Now, Mohit. Mohit, unmute yourself.
Good evening, gentlemen. My name is Mohit. Now, I put my views on the topic, practice makes a man perfect. Gentlemen, as we all know, practice is very necessary to master a skill. If we want to master a skill, we need practice. We can take example from our daily lives that practice, if we want to crack an exam, we have to practice a lot of question. If we want to be good in a sports, we need to practice the sports a lot. If we want to master a skill, we need practice. So practice is the first step to achieve success. Practice is very important in achieving our goal, and if we want to master in any skill, we need practice. In this session we will discuss the importance of practice and put up our thoughts regarding to practice. Thank you.
Nitesh.
Good evening, friends. I am Nitish Kumar, and as we know, our today's discussion topic, friends, is practice makes a man perfect. Nobody can deny that practice makes man perfect is also a proverb that is running in instant time of our daily life. As first of all, we need to understand what is practice, and I can explain that practice to make and work, to repeat and work daily in our life, and in every try we make polish on our work in daily life. As we know that in every step practice is necessary for success. In this session we will discuss about practice and put our views on this topic. Thank you.
Great. So I think first Ashutosh, you have spoken. No, he has spoken. Yes. So
Yes,
I think
sir,
everybody has participated in the first round. Now we go for second round, in which you will get 10 minutes. I will give you 10 minutes and you will speak among yourself, maintain the decorum, talk to one another, listen to them and give your own opinion before I come to each one of you for conclusion at the end of the discussion. So I open the house for discussion among you now.
Yeah, so talking about the innovation and the practices, because we have a very good example of the innovation. So how innovation is the practice, because we know that the Thomas Alva Edison, we know that how the Thomas Alva Edison has.
Friends, don't make
very
this market,
important.
please.
Practice is very
Take
important.
your
in
decision
life.
and
Hello guys, we can discuss one by one.
and what is our topic? Our topic is
I
practice
think
make
this will be a
practice make a man
one by
perfect.
Positiveness is very
As we know that
necessary.
Let's
Without
discuss it one by
practice,
one.
is to make our
positiveness
work
Guys, we are
repeat
making
daily
very
in our
one
chaos.
life.
person have to
Let's
do
discuss one by
practice.
one.
Let's say
Nitesh,
There
you
is
are
no
speaking very
Rupen, your voice is
continuously.
not
Try to
audible. Yeah, so
yeah, we
we
can
know
say
that
that
how the
when
innovation,
whenever
how the
want to learn
innovation is
every
related
new
to the
skill,
Ladies
practice.
and
so
gentlemen,
new
So we
skill
know
can be
the
learned only
example
when we
of
have
the
practice.
Thomas
If
Alva
we can't
Edison.
practice the new skill,
I have a
Actually,
great
we are
example of
wait.
Thomas Alva Edison.
by
Whenever
excuse
improving in
me,
it.
Not
excuse
a
me.
topic to
So
discuss,
So
guys.
we should
Please,
Gentlemen,
guys,
can
learn
we
one
this is
by
not
one.
our
guys, we
topic.
can discuss
Why
one
our
by one.
topic is
we
Guys,
not
hello,
heard
practice makes
anything?
man
Obviously,
perfect,
hello,
not
obviously.
Can you
innovation.
please
We
speak
are
one
guys.
by
going
Okay,
in
one?
guys,
wrong
let's discuss
direction.
one by one.
Guys,
The
I have a
topic
very
is
interesting
the
example
topic
to quote over
is
here
practice
is the
makes man
innovation,
Yeah.
perfect.
how the practice makes
yeah,
man perfect in a innovation, because we have a good example of Thomas Alva Edison. So we know that he has failed a lot of times to discover that bulb, but he kept on discussing, or he kept on improvising himself towards the better version, and I think that's why
yeah,
he was able to discover that bulb. So I think
Yes,
for
Yes,
innovation
right.
practice is more
yeah,
Rikesh,
Right,
important.
Rishikesh, as
want
you
to get
said
I
one
would
that
like
Thomas
to
Alva
consider
add.
the
Edison.
example
I
of
would
Thomas
like
Yeah,
to
Alva
yeah, I
add
agree
Edison.
with
some
Mr.
point
Edison.
to
Like
this
like
Yeah,
topic. One,
every field or every
man
new
knows
skill we
no,
get
that
we
to
want
no,
to
make
learn.
smart
Guys,
yeah,
We
yourself.
need
guys,
there,
practice.
there
guys,
is
We
there
need
are
a
very
way.
example
means that
We
our
get to
practice
learn
makes
about
a
the
uh,
man
mistakes we
greater
are
a
doing in
scientist
it.
like
and
We get to
make
learn
the
got
or
success in
flaws
no
where
pressure in
where we are lacking in
Actually,
it.
day.
I
So
would
by
like to
doing the
add my
practice,
point of view to
we
Rishi
can
Kumar.
rectify our
Practice
mistake,
makes
and
practice makes
by
practice
rectifying the
builds the
mistake
person
day by day, we
creative
will
power.
improve in that
But
field.
but
So if we take the example of a cricket field or any sports in those
yeah,
sports field, so if we take the example of
yeah,
Virat Kohli, Virat in the initial phase of his time, Virat
yeah,
Kohli
yeah,
was not much the that of
yeah,
great
I
player.
agree with Mr.
Like
Kunal.
he
Yeah,
don't have that much skill, but he is the very much hardworking person, and he puts everything, every effort in the practice.
Yes, you are right,
I would
Kunal.
like to
As
assist
as you
yeah,
have
Mr.
said the
Put
Kunal
example
on
of
this.
Virat
practice
Kohli.
you are
every
You are
you
effort.
are very
giving an
right
first
on
example
we
your
of
are
cricket
point.
agree with
football.
I
Mr.
would
As
like
Kunal.
you
to
know
add
First
that
comes
my
cricket
my
football
hard
But
point
work.
is
on that.
practicing
for
is
If you're
needed.
not
Living
do
in
We
the
hard
can
work,
country
then
discuss
where
one by
then
one.
practice
practice
So
makes
makes
I
okay.
request
perfect,
everyone
and
As
to
he says
maintain the
that
decorum
we
of the
can follow
forum.
make practice
Yeah,
daily in our life and
yeah,
we will
Nitesh, go ahead.
achieve the
I
goal.
would like to add a point. We are living in the country where no one is supposed to give the direction to any particular how to practice, how to master in at any point. We are in that country, so we need practice. We all know we need a practice because practice makes man perfect. But we are not discussing the way to get practice. We know that in India the person is very
yeah, so,
deflected
yeah,
for
yeah,
the
I agree with
game
Mr. Ashok, but
which he wants to do.
but
Mr. Rupen, please
First
let
But
the
thing
but
that
person
is
but
to be
we
first.
need
understood
to
that
do
is
we
yeah,
the
need
I
to
practicing
agree with
get
become a
Mr.
some we
business
Ashok,
need to
or
get some
but
motivation
some
and
person
direction
then
also in
what
the
they
some
work,
starting.
of his
The
practice
they
person
have
you
to
talk
do
program
about
the
practice
over
children,
and
in their
about
again
any
way,
child,
like a
they
student
don't
can
Guys,
know
please
how what
maintain
to
the
how to
Yes,
do.
this
They
one
have
by
to
one.
give a
please maintain the
direction to that
decorum of the
person.
forum. Guys, I
Person
request
that
everyone to
even
but
maintain the decorum
that
of
Just
the
let
that
forum.
somebody to speak.
Hello?
Just let
Yeah.
yeah,
one.
we
Just
have
let
to
one.
maintain
Yeah,
decorum,
a
but
Rupen.
very effective
we have to
example of
go in
a very
right way.
effective example of
Yeah, we have to
practice
go in the right
making
way.
a man
Practice makes
perfect is
every person like a
playing it
student,
out
like a
again and
player,
again
like
till
an
the
Gentlemen,
actor,
please
actress.
let
ingrained
Have
Rupen
into
to do
mind.
complete
practice in their
first.
That's what
right way.
happening in the case of
Yeah,
musicians,
please
especially
let
Okay,
Rupen
okay,
complete
musicians like
first.
A.R.
Rupen, go ahead,
Rahman.
Rupen.
Yeah,
They
Rupen, go ahead.
practice through their own
yeah.
methods
Gentlemen,
and
gentlemen,
I
they
let
I
me
master
say
say
their own
that
something.
skill.
practice makes a man
Same thing
perfect, but
happened
one
with
person,
Sachin
but
Tendulkar
one
also.
person, but
When he had a
yeah,
disease like tennis elbow, he practiced again and again till that talent become ingrained in him. That's what happened to Sachin
not
Tendulkar.
only
That's why he said there
uh,
is
I,
no
yeah,
shortcut to
not
I
success.
only
would
And
Sachin
like
Tendulkar,
to
but
interrupt you, Rupesh,
all the
because
person in their
we can
respective
in
field,
this platform
all the
get
person in their
involved
respective
only
field,
the
like
sportsman, and that
only
I think
not
that is not right to discuss only the sportsman. We should
yeah,
view all the other aspects, all the
Yes,
other dimensions
yes,
of the
yes,
practice
right,
I think
also,
Ritesh. As you
practice is
because
said,
I think the practice is
practice
not
is
only
you
related
are
useful
to the
in
individual, but if we talk about the I
every
have a very
step of
interesting
your life,
example to
everywhere
quote over
only
here is
every
only the
moment
I
of
have
our
a
sportsman
life,
very
or
useful in our daily
interesting
life
how
example
also,
to
to quote
in
over here
business
is
life
the
perfect
also.
nation.
it.
or
as we
while
talk
in a
about the
job,
India,
while you are doing a
yeah,
business,
please,
Yeah,
while
Kunal,
you are doing a
please, Kunal, if
startup.
you, please, Kunal,
Yeah.
if you allow, I want to bring a new perspective over
Okay,
here.
okay,
Is
go
so
ahead, Rishikesh. Okay.
yeah, so practice is not about the individual, because as we know that the as an Indian country, so we did a lot of
yeah,
research in the space industry. We did a lot of research in the
yeah,
space industry, and we
yeah,
know that we failed
yeah,
in the Chandrayaan Muhim last year. But it's not like that. There is a end for it. So as a scientist or as an ISRO person, we have to be a very adaptive one. We
yeah,
have to get into the
Yes,
new
I would
technology,
like.
and we can achieve
Yeah,
that.
I
agree
partially
with
agree with
Yes,
that. We
yes,
are
right.
not practicing
like
with
to-
that.
Nitesh,
We are
as
making
you
new
said,
learning
this is a
all the
very much
all the
technological
right
also.
point.
Criticism and
all the
positive
Try
process
and
attitude
try and
towards
Introducing
try
ourselves
and
and
in
but
the
so
implementing
that
new
we can
tools.
do
they
That's
practice
have to
what
do
till a
happened
practice
large
in the
extent.
case of
We need
physics.
like soldiers
consistency
also
and
do practice
optimism so
in
that
their
we can
field,
achieve our goal
and
with
Everybody,
if
practicing.
a scientist do their
okay,
practice
so
to
how
Yeah,
will
Do
research on their
practice
like
regularly.
this
COVID-19,
will be audible?
they do
Yes,
practice
Friends,
Efforts.
Please,
friends,
someone
make
just
silence
join
and
me.
taking
give
Nobody
your
is
process.
points
on
one by
screen.
one. As you are thinking that the practice makes the man perfect, it is related to our practical life. As we know that our practical life, new education policy also supports the practical knowledge. As we know that new education policy also related to our practical knowledge, not theoretical. So we can understand the importance of practical
Yes,
knowledge and
right,
practice.
right, Nitesh, you rightly said, because theoretical knowledge will help you in doing the practical
Yeah,
things. When you put this
yeah.
theoretical knowledge in
Practical
practice
knowledge comes
and
when comes, but when
repeatedly
yeah,
practice on that things, we will get to know our flaws.
yeah, I
We
agree
will
with
get
Mr.
to know
Kunal.
our mistakes,
Yeah,
what we are doing, and the day by day, when we rectify those mistakes, so we
yeah.
get on to
Guys,
get
only
The
practice is
person has
not
gained
important.
practical knowledge
Guys, only
when to
practice
do
is not
practice.
important.
When a
The
person
obviously
learning
the
that we are
Practice
perfect.
is also
we have
getting
to do
important.
from
After
that
practice
that,
in the
practice
right
is
way.
much
We
more
have to do
same thing
important.
happens with
I think
musicians
the
also.
practice
yeah,
is only
practice is
not
also
the
important,
important
but we
thing.
have to do
Guys,
practice
I
in the
have a
right way.
very one interesting
What they
example.
have to
I
do
want to
and
add
they
a
to
new
work,
I want to
perspective
throw
over
a
here
and they
is
have to do in right
only
way.
the practice is not
And
important.
practice should be
Guys,
done in
we are
positive
practicing
guys,
the
I
way.
GD
think we
also,
are,
na?
Practice
guys,
Right now
I
we are
think
is
practicing the
Not
as
actually
GD.
practice
You
is
know,
not
friends,
important, but
yeah,
also
practice,
we should
but
work
the
on
learning,
precision.
right,
We
Mohit?
should
I
work
think
on learning and
Mohit,
yeah.
right,
precision so
Mohit,
that
Yes,
right.
most
I'm
that
important
agree.
we
thing is
can
I'm
do
what
our
right,
work
what
with
Mohit.
more
I'm
what
currently
I
precision.
said
agreeing
is
with
We
you.
can reach
what I
our
said
goal
is that
in
Yeah,
exactly means
efficient time.
you
So
that
I,
precision
believe
and
because
learning also we
I
focus
want
on
because
to
the
we practice we
practicing,
get to learn so
and
many things.
we should do the
I,
practice in a right way so that we can achieve our goal with more precision and accuracy.
yeah,
Improving
also,
yourself is
also,
the most
Obviously,
important
I,
point, I
I
think,
want to
rather than
add a one more
practicing is
perspective
very
is
You
the
important.
understand?
same
mistakes
thing
that
again
we
and
are
again,
doing
making the
while the
same mistake again
practicing.
and
Please
again.
allow me
Rather
to
than
complete
that,
my sentence, my friends. Allow me complete my sentence, my friends. As
Okay,
the
go ahead,
earlier
Nitesh.
Mohit mentioned that the practice is a
please.
process to get our success achieve.
Yeah, I agree with
We
Mr.
can
Asos. Yeah,
achieve
yeah,
our
Yes,
obviously.
success
right,
to
Nitesh.
make
It is
practice
the
daily in
process
our
only.
life, and we can make more practice, and we will get the result better than before
yeah,
we have tried.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, we
Yes,
have to
right,
Nitesh,
go
that
Nitesh,
happens
right.
only
if
when
in
we are
any
correcting
exam
our
comes, we have to
mistakes. We
do
are
practice
Practicing
on
is
repeating
that
the
the
on that
same
most
exam,
mistakes
and then we
again
have
important
and
to
thing
do
for
again.
me.
There is
that
no
on a
improvement and
right
there is
way.
no use.
We got success.
I want to throw light something about something. See, we are right now, we are practicing the GD, isn't it? So,
Yeah,
after
GD is also
practicing the
like a
GD,
practicing. Yeah,
yeah, so
yeah.
after practicing, then we will achieve something further. In our exams, when the GD will come, then we can understand our mistakes, isn't it? If we can't
Yes,
understand
right, right,
our
Tanay.
mistake, then how can we work on our
I am
precisions?
partially agree with you,
So,
Tanay, because only the
firstly, we have
practice
to
is
understand
not
our
important. I
mistakes.
think
So,
Tanay,
for
only
mistakes,
practice is. I think
Yes,
Tanay, only the
Rishikesh,
practice is. I think not
Rishikesh,
only the practice is important, but the
what we are
learning
trying
that
to
we are
say is
getting
also
from that
correct.
practice
yeah,
is much more important.
obviously, obviously.
So
Every
Yeah,
time
the
I
when you
want to.
learning that we
practice,
are
I want
getting
every
to.
from
time when
that
you get
practice
mistake,
is.
Without learning, there is no practice. When a person
you have to
cannot
learn the
learn, they
Uh,
things.
cannot practice in the right way.
I
Gentlemen,
order.
we all have
Rupen,
mentioned
I
many
what you
Before
times
said is
about the
correct.
practicing,
importance of
before
practice.
My
learning is
Now
practicing,
it
very
will be
my
better
important.
practicing
if
and
we
by
discuss how
analyzing,
we
Before
can
by
practice
practicing, the
analyzing
person
uh,
learn,
continuously
what
then
we
they
for
did
do
in
that.
the
practice in the right way,
Guys,
so
in a
listen,
positive way.
let
practicing
me
and analyzing
complete,
the
let me
things.
complete,
I
let me add my
just
point.
like
Guys,
Let somebody
I would
complete now.
like to lighten
we have
the
talked a
words of
lot about the
uh,
importance of
I
practicing,
would like
but
to
it will be
lighten
Yeah.
better if we now try to state that how we can practice regularly. So if
Okay.
we
I hold the same view as Mohit has
Every
mentioned
person,
that
yeah, I agree with Mr.
the process of
Right?
practicing is very important. As we know that
Yeah,
there is no knowledge to
zero
relate to the
every,
teacher.
and
yeah,
If we have a
always
Yes,
good
gentlemen, we should
guide and
yes,
suggest
we
our
correct.
get
ways.
Because
good
Gentlemen, we
success.
should
practicing,
suggest
Okay.
new
Okay,
ways
guys.
practicing
so that we
is
can practice. So
I
Okay,
think
now
guys
we
we are
Let's
we
do
shall
one
debating.
state
thing. How we
ways.
okay,
practice.
now I think we
How we can
should go
practice.
for conclusion. conclusion. So let me ask each one of you to conclude. Rishikesh, start concluding now.
Yeah. So yeah, we had a very fruitful discussion, though we didn't come to the consensus that whether only the practice is important thing as per as making a man perfect. But yeah, we had quoted some of the very good examples. So we have discussed about the how Thomas Alva Edison invented that bulb by practicing or by learning from the mistake. And one more thing that we all have discussed, that whenever we are practicing we are gaining that experience, but from practicing it or by gaining that experience we have to keep improving ourselves, because the as one of my friend Mohit has already said that key only practice is not important, but along with the practice we should get things like we have to learn new things while doing that practice also. My friend Kunal has mentioned the example of Virat Kohli, and one of my friend have mentioned the example of Sachin Tendulkar. So how
Actually, I would like
by
to add one
practicing
thing.
they by hello. So yeah, so by addressing or by practicing how they came to this learning, and also we have discussed about the how we should do the regular practice on a daily front. So yeah, so in the conclusion I want to say that yes, practice is important to get that success or to make a man perfect, but along with the practice some of the other factors are also there that we have discussed.
Kunal?
Thank you.
Oh, okay, I take the privilege to conclude the discussion. Friends, though we had a good discussion, but I think that we couldn't reach the consensus, and various points were put by us. And the points like some so everyone was in the favor, and means the practice makes man perfect is the very much relevant thing. And various points said, like Ashutosh put a point on the artist life, how artist gets perfect in their life by practicing. Rushikesh put a very much good examples, like Thomas Alva Edison, by practicing how he invented so many things. And also the point put by Rishikesh, by practice, not practice only is important, we have to learn in that practicing process. So it is a very much important thing that learning and analyzing by practicing is the key to be perfect. And the perfectness can't be at absolute level, it can be pushed to the another level. So by practicing, the perfectness will be pushed to another level. And like Mohit quoted the example of student life, by practicing questions in students life, how they get perfect in their field. And also Manu put the example of PV Sindhu in this sports, so how she practice, and she has reached the that much good level in her field. So I think the thought, the saying that practice makes man perfect is very much suitable for every human being in the world. Thank you.
Okay, Rupen?
we have a good we have a very good discussion, and we have concluded that the practice is very important in everyday life, everyone's life. So many of friends says that, like Rishikesh takes the example of Thomas Alva Edison. He said that Thomas Alva Edison, with practicing, invented various things. And Nitesh takes the example of practical activities, like if a person do a practical activity and practicing more, then they can get success. And Mohit said about the accuracy and precision. When a person start practicing in every day in their life, then the accuracy and precision is going to be higher. And some of our friends said about take the example of PV Sindhu and Sachin Tendulkar. So the conclusion is that practicing is very important to our life, but practicing in a right way is very important. And with practicing, learning is very important. Learning and practicing is coincidence, like a good example of it to get success. So thank you.
Manu?
A very turbulent discussion, and we got many useful points from it, even though the discussion was turbulent. Some of those were, as Rishikesh said, this practice is not an individual thing, especially for a situation that's happening in India. We are conducting many space missions, and we are learning from our own mistakes. And the space agency itself is practicing. And another thing is that Kunal said, the case of Virat Kohli, he was not an very talented person initially, and he practiced himself again and again, and he became a champion of the sports. And Tanay also said, we are doing this discussion session, practicing this thing to improve ourselves. So as a conclusion, we get to a common conclusion that and common agreement that this practice obviously makes a man perfect, especially when it's done in such a way that we clear our mistakes and we rectify our mistakes, and we improve ourselves. This applies all for all humans, like man or woman, and we can make the impossible things possible by practice. Thank you.
Okay, Manu, now Ashutosh.
Finally, every good thing comes to an end. So the same thing about this group discussion also. We have to summarize this group discussion. The group discussion was very hot. It was amazing. We have got lot of new things from this group discussion. We have discussed a lot of things. My friends have enlightened many things, many success story, such as Thomas, such as PV Sindhu, Sachin, and Virat Kohli. We have discussed the persistence of practicing, by Thomas, how he gets success after 999 trials. We have discussed Kohli, Sachin's practice results, and how they get achieved their goal in their life, and how they have this status in this world. How the PV Sandhu has got this in her life, and we have also enlightened the topic of how to get direction and learning in the practice session. It is also important because the only need practice is not important. That correct direction and the correct learning on that practice stage is also very important. So we need to balance on these two platforms to get success by practicing. This is what all about this direction and
Okay, Tane.
Sir, firstly, don't get feared. You have to believe in yourself, motivate your thoughts, channelize your energy towards upskilling yourself. Upskilling means enhance your skills day by day, learn from your mistakes, and deliver precision in final performance. So, conclusion, this is practice actually, just balancing the thoughts, balancing between practicing and learning, repeating. This is the thing I would conclude, that practicing in the right way is the most effective thing that we would conclude from this discussion. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Mohit.
We all had a good conversation. All the friends actively participated in the discussion. I would like to conclude my side by saying that practice is not a single thing. It is a combination of persistence, optimism, and practicing our skills. Practicing our skills makes us very accurate and precisionist in our efforts. All of my friends stated good examples like Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, PV Sandhu, the scientist, and many other examples, which states that practice is very important for anyone to get success. So, in the conclusion, I would like to say that practices makes us very accurate and gives us precision in our task. Thank you.
Okay, Nitesh.
All and all, we have a great discussion, friends. As everyone has said our thoughts and views on the practice, and at my side, I want to say that the practice and also the knowledge how we can practice our work is also important to make our perfect. Because as we know what is our mistakes, we can work on the mistakes and we will get the better result of our last try. Thank you, and we have a rich experience, friends.
Okay, so I think everybody is concluded now. Okay, let me tell you now, before I give this feedback to each one of you, let me tell you these kind of topics, when they are given, they are philosophical and proverbial in nature. So you need to take words out and explain the words. I told you कि अगर आपको कोई topic दिया जाता है तो one of the sentence can be defining the terms, words in the sentence. Like practice makes a man perfect. So what do we understand by being perfect? So friends, we should understand what is the meaning of being perfect. Perfect means flawless. Perfect means errorless. Perfect means कोई भी काम करना without any mistake. And all of us agree that if we do repeated practice, that helps us to become flawless. We will make mistakes and learn from the mistake. Make the mistake, learn from the mistake. Again and again, again and again, till we start doing the work without mistake. I think that is the perfection. तो अगर आप वर्ड परफेक्शन को डिफाइन करते, किसी का ध्यान उस पर नहीं गया परफेक्शन पे कि परफेक्शन का मीनिंग क्या है तुम्हारे लिए. Make the things very simple, and speak something which nobody thinks of. And I'm giving you some hint. In this case, the hint was listen the word, listen the sentence, whatever discussion के लिए he has given you. and define that sentence in a simple terms. That will give lot of impact to your discussion. Okay, sir, practice makes a man what? Perfect, good, ideal, wisdomful. Kya? Practice makes a man fill in the blanks. Perfect. Perfect means what? Without mistake. So can you link the practice with not making mistake? Can you do that? And if you can do that, then that is something which is required. That is something which is required. Now you could have identified that, and best line could have been, friends, the topic today given for the discussion is practice makes a man perfect. It is a proverbial topic. It is a very, very famous proverb, and we see this happening in our life. And all we need to do is we need to discuss it with some kind of examples in our life. That is how you could have started. That is how you could have spoken. Now I come to each one of you. शुरू में मेरे को लग रहा था कि नितेश सबसे बेकार बोलेगा. नितेश, मेरे को लग रहा था जैसे आप बैठे हो आप सबसे बेकार बोलोगे, लेकिन आपने अच्छा बोला. नितेश ने ये आइडेंटिफाई किया प्रोवर्ब है ये. आपने आइडेंटिफाई नहीं किया कि ये प्रोवर्ब है. एंड नितेश कुड स्पीक गुड. नितेश ने 2 वर्ड बोले कि ये प्रोवर्ब है और एक रिपीटेड एक्शन होता है, रिपीट करना किसी चीज को. प्रैक्टिस मींस रिपीट करना. तो कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स वो लेके आया. दैट इज गुड थिंग. नाउ आई कम टू बेसिकली एक एक का मैं आपका करता हूं उसमें एनालिसिस. ऋषिकेश सेड प्रैक्टिस मींस एक्सपीरियंस. विद प्रैक्टिस कम्स एक्सपीरियंस and it gives you success. It is an interesting topic. Instead of interesting topic, you could have said this is a topic related to what we observe in day-to-day life. It is proverbial in nature. This topic is proverbial. Proverb से आप इसको निकाल सकते थे. Then he talked about, Rishikesh talked about innovation also. And then somewhere practice alone is not sufficient. Rishikesh said practice alone is not sufficient, but learning part has to be there. That is good, not bad. That is good thing. But practice should be accompanied with learning behavior also. Even Rupen also mentioned that particular thing. So that was good thing. And you could conclude very well. Rishikesh, your conclusion was good today. You could start it also, but starting was chaotic. 2-3 people were simultaneously talking. That was chaotic. In that situation, you need to stop. Let others speak and then maybe you can enter later on. पैरेलली अगर आप बोलते जाओगे तो सारे हाउस को उसका नुकसान होता है. एवरीबडी इज एट लॉस बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. कुणाल gave the example of cricketer students practice in between. Kunal could give in the introduction. Kunal gave all these examples. So that is how he started the discussion. Kunal का मेन ड्रॉबैक पहले जीडी में था कि वो बीच में बोलता नहीं था, लेकिन इस बार उसने बीच में बोला भी है. That is the best part about you, Kunal. You could speak in between today. That is the best part. And conclusion part was also good. So today Kunal, you could speak balanced. मतलब आज की डिस्कशन में जो हाईएस्ट मार्क्स मिलेगा वो तुम्हें मिलेगा कुणाल, तुम्हें मिलेगा और साथ में इसको मिलेगा ऋषिकेश को मिलेगा. आप दोनों को अच्छा मार्क्स मिलेगा आज के डिस्कशन में. इफ आई कम टू Rupen, you also said that practice is important. Playing, reading, आप इसके साथ इसको लिंक किया. आपने लर्निंग पार्ट भी इंट्रोड्यूस किया. Learning and practice basically should go well parallel. That is how. But in the conclusion, you were not mentioning others. That is lesser part you were adding of others. In the conclusion, like Rishikesh and Kunal could speak about others, you could not speak about others in the conclusion. Between me, you have spoken. So Rupen, your performance has also increased compared to previous GD. And the topic was practice makes a man perfect. Tanay also said that today we are doing GD, it comes with practice. And that is seen here. Like Kunal has come a long way. पिछली बार डिस्कशन में कुणाल का एक ही मेरे को याद है प्रॉब्लम होता था कि कुणाल never used to enter in between. Today he has entered. That I think that is because of practice. And Rishikesh is also doing good. Rupen, your level has also increased. You have also participated nicely today. But conclusion में बाकियों को introduce करो. बाकियों का भी मेंशन करो. If I come to Manu said that okay, it will shape the future and all those things. But Manu, you could not pick up the topic very well in the beginning. You could not pick up the topic very nicely. That is what all I can say. You should have picked up the topic nicely. You could not pick up the topic nicely. right Manu? And you could not enter also today. The only problem, Manu, you have is that if the situation becomes chaotic, house becomes turbulent, you do not enter. That is a trouble I think you have. Try to push it, because this situation might come, and if this situation comes, you should try to enter, right? Understood, Manu? So your conclusion part was good. You could basically speak about others. Conclusion I liked, because conclusion you will get chance. Introduction you talked more deviated from the topic. Topic was simple. You could have talked only about the topic also. If I come to Ashutosh, Ashutosh, you were wasting your energy in disciplining others. Okay, let others speak. Let me also speak. Nitesh, Ashutosh, and all, and even Hrishikesh was also trying to discipline others. This does not help. One or two times you can say, okay, friends, let us speak. Let's not create turbulence. Let's not create chaotic situation. One or two times you can say that, but not always. You cannot say that always. You just put your point, because the sentence you will use to discipline others is a sentence wasted. The same sentence you can use in discussion. Like आपने बोला friends don't do this, let's others speak. एक आधी बार आप बोल सकते हैं, लेकिन बहुत बार नहीं बोलना उसको. Instead उसकी जगह आप अपना sentence बोल सकते हैं कि friends it's okay, but let me tell you this particular thing. तो जो आप बोलोगे, that is a sentence utilized. The sentence used to discipline others is a sentence wasted. So you, Ashutosh, you said this discussion was a hot discussion. Hot is not the word, formal word. This discussion was very, very turbulent, or this discussion was very aggressive. These are the words you can use. Hot word is not to be used. You gave PV Sandhu examples and all, but in the conclusion, Ashutosh, maybe it was first time for you, you could not include others in the conclusion. You did not talk about others. Right? Tane, you have the capability. Tane, you can speak, you have the capability, but the only problem is, like, you are not participating. You were not visible. Try to make yourself, all of you, visible. Unless until you are visible, group discussion, I cannot make it up how you are participating. Even observer, as an observer, I make myself visible so that we can get a feel of actual GD. Otherwise I can hide myself, but you are not to hide yourself. If possible, try next time to show yourself, then only I will be in position to give your feedback. So Tane, you are speaking good. I mean, whatever I could understand from couple of sentences you uttered, whatever I could understand was like you have the capability, but you need to speak. That is the first principle of the GD. You need to participate, you need to talk, like आज Nitesh spoke, तो नितेश ने बोला, बीच बीच में बोलता रहा. नितेश पहला था, उसका भी पहला था, मोहित का भी पहला था, तो वो बोलता रहा, लेकिन बीच बीच में एंटर करता रहा. दैट इज व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. तने, इट वाज फर्स्ट टाइम फॉर यू आल्सो, आई अंडरस्टैंड. तो यू नीड टू स्पीक. पहले 3-4 जीडीज में तो तुम बोलने की प्रैक्टिस करो यार, सो दैट यू शुड स्पीक. 3-4 जीडी में तो वही प्रैक्टिस करो. एंड यू कुड नॉट कंक्लूड आल्सो वेल. आई टोल्ड यू दैट ऑल द न्यू कमर्स लाइक नितेश, मोहित, तने, आपको कंक्लूजन करना नहीं आया, बिकॉज कंक्लूजन में दूसरों की बात बोलनी होती है साथ में, कंक्लूजन अपना नहीं होता. तने ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड फिलोसॉफिकली स्पीकिंग एंड यू वर गिविंग योर ओन पॉइंट्स. कंक्लूजन में यू आर नॉट टू गिव योर ओन पॉइंट्स, you are not to give new points, you are to only just tell what others have told. That is what is the conclusion.
Okay.
Right?
Okay, sir.
And then Mohit, as I told you, you should, Mohit said master the skill, practice question, practice sports, practice skills. तो मोहित ने एक वो बनाया, एक बेसिकली पैटर्न सा बनाया बात करने का, और दैट इज गुड कि फ्रेंड्स डोंट वी प्रैक्टिस स्पोर्ट्स, वी प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस. We all are students and we know that practicing writing questions and solving questions is so important for getting good marks in the exam, because if we practice more, our mistakes reduce, we become good in that subject. Hence practice is very important. Even when we want to go for interview, we should practice, which is called mock interviews. We should go and we become very good in that. This is how you can give your real life examples. You know, who stops you from giving examples? I told you other day also, ये मत सोचो कि जीडी में बैठे हो, ये सोचो कि मेरे को बात रखनी है यार, टॉपिक के बारे में बोलना है. Practice makes a man perfect. Very true. If I practice a lot, I become good driver, I become good swimmer, I become good student, I become good batsman, sportsman, सब. तो एग्जाम्पल दो ना. वैसे मोहित ने वहीं से स्टार्ट किया. Then he's again, I will say, Mohit, you did not conclude well because you were not knowing के conclusion में बाकियों की बात भी रखनी है. you should have spoken well in the conclusion part also. नितेश, as I told you, I was expecting कि नितेश बोल नहीं पाएगा, लेकिन उसने अच्छा बोला. उसने स्टार्टिंग किया कि ये प्रोवर्ब है, प्रोवर्बियल टॉपिक है, और रिपीट एक्शन करना, एक्शन को रिपीट करना प्रैक्टिस होती है. एंड डोंट, बट ओनली थिंग इज नितेश, यू आर नॉट टू डिसिप्लिन अदर्स. बाकियों को डिसिप्लिन करने की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है आपको. यू आर नॉट टू डू दैट. आप अपना पॉइंट रखो, बस बोलो और पॉइंट रखो. तो इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट में आपको वर्ड्स देखने हैं, वर्ड्स के बारे में कुछ एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो, एंड वर्ड्स को ओपन कर सकते हो, एंड डायरेक्शन दे सकते हो. दैट इज व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इन इंट्रोडक्शन. कंक्लूजन में बाकियों की बात रखनी है, और बीच में आपको 10 मिनट का सबके साथ इंटरेक्शन करना है. नो, इफ आई एम टू गिव मार्क्स, आई विल गिव हाईएस्ट मार्क्स टू कुणाल दिस टाइम, एंड ऋषिकेश ऑलमोस्ट सेम. देन मनु एंड रूपेन, दोनों को मिलेगा, मनु एंड रूपेन को मिलेगा. उसके बाद मिलेगा नितेश को. उसके बाद मिलेगा मोहित एंड आशुतोष को, और सबसे कम तने को मिलेगा. तने की कैपेबिलिटी अच्छी है. मेरे को लगता है इस ग्रुप में सबसे अच्छी कैपेबिलिटी है तने की डिस्कशन करने की, लेकिन तने आपने बोला नहीं है, तो लेट मी टेल यू दैट. नितेश, आपको थोड़ा सा पैटर्न चेंज करना पड़ेगा, स्पीड कम करनी पड़ेगी, और थोड़ा सा फॉर्मली बैठना पड़ेगा. आप और मोहित बहुत ही रिलैक्स्ड मोड में बैठे हो, बैठने का तरीका भी आपका सही नहीं है, तो आपको एक्टिव होकर बैठना है. ऐसे नेक्स्ट टाइम से आप ऐसा लग रहा हो बेड पे लेटे हुए हो, तो मेरे को इस तरीके से दिख रहा है. तो आपको एक्टिव होके बैठना है, उससे भी आपका जेस्चर पोस्चर अच्छा होता है. जैसे अगर आप एक हाइट में बैठ जाओ, जैसे इस हाइट में बैठ जाओ, तो इवन यू कैन यूज दिस, और वहां पे आपको जेस्चर पोस्चर दिखाने होते हैं. दैट इज हाउ इट कैन बी डन. जैसे अगर आप मेरे को देख रहे होंगे, सब लोगों को देखो चेहरा, आपको मेरी आईज नजर आएंगी, बाकी किसी की नजर नहीं आ रही है आईज आपको. because we can show with eyes also, we can nod also, we can smile also. तो दिखने चाहिए आप डिस्कशन करते टाइम. You need to be visible actually. That is something which is good. This was the result of discussion. But again, practice will make you perfect in GD also. You need to do practice, learn from others, and you people have given the answer. Learning along with practice only works. Otherwise, अगर मैं 10 GD करवा दूं, 20 GD करवा दूं, learning नहीं है, तो आप perfect नहीं हो सकते. So thanks to your points only that you have told that sir, learning has to be there with practice. Practice तो हम करते ही हैं, but यार learning आपको लानी पड़ेगी. दूसरों से सीखते हैं, आपस में सीखते हैं, और फिर हम उसको perfection की तरफ लेके जाते हैं. That is what we have to do. That is from my side. Anything else you want to ask? Fine.
Sir, I want to ask something.
Yeah, Tanay.
How will we get some other practices?
Like?
Daily practices. Daily practices, how will we get?
No, you need not to go for daily practice in the sense कि अगर आप 2 बार वीक में मेरे साथ भी कर लोगे ना, it is more than sufficient. I tell you honestly.
Okay.
Try to speak out. Try to listen the GDs जो मैंने योर पीडी एजुकेशन पे डाले हुए हैं. कुछ चीजें तो प्रैक्टिस करो यार. इंट्रोडक्शन को प्रैक्टिस करो बहुत बार. गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज द टॉपिक गिवन फॉर अस डिस्कशन. एंड मेंटल फ्रेमिंग करो, मेंटल फ्रेमिंग करो. और जब यहाँ पे आते हो वीक में 2 बार 1 घंटा, तो पूरी तरह से अटेंटिव रहो एंड बी इन एक्टिव मोड के मेरे को करना है, और फिर वो हो जाएगा. वीक में 2 GDs आर मोर देन सफिशिएंट फॉर यू टू बेसिकली प्रैक्टिस इट. मतलब 8-10 GDs में 1 मंथ में तुम एक्सपर्ट हो जाने चाहिए. अनलेस अंटिल यू हैव वेरी लेस टाइम के अगले वीक की मेरा GD है, वो बात अलग है. लेकिन अगर तुम्हारे पास 1 मंथ भी है तो 8 GDs यू कैन पार्टिसिपेट, एंड 8 GDs में तुम्हारी लर्निंग होनी चाहिए. दैट शुड बी सफिशिएंट. बाकी लर्न करो फ्रॉम अदर्स आल्सो, राइट?
Okay, sir.
Can't we conduct a group task?
Yes, we can do
Very
group
long
task
time, I
also.
think.
Next we will do group task. You just put your request in the group for group task.
Okay.
We can do that positively. Anything else? Baki, this is all, again, this is practice.
Conclusion.
Yes.
सर conclusion का मौका everyone को मिलता है.
नहीं, इंट्रोडक्शन और कंक्लूजन स्नैच
Individually
करना पड़ता है.
conclusion होता है.
स्नैच करना पड़ता है, स्नैच करना पड़ता है कि ओके फ्रेंड्स, लेट मी टेक अपॉर्चुनिटी टू कंक्लूड. ओके फ्रेंड्स, लेट मी टेक अपॉर्चुनिटी टू स्टार्ट. यहाँ पे तो मैं सबको दे रहा हूँ प्रैक्टिस के लिए, अदरवाइज वहां पे आपको स्नैच करना पड़ता है.
अच्छा सर, सब जगह में ऐसा ही कुछ chaotic सिचुएशन हो सकता है सब जगह में, या
देखो
और
ज्यादातर
सबको?
क्योटिक सिचुएशन ज्यादातर मेरे यहाँ पे इसलिए होता है क्योंकि कई एक्सपर्ट बैठे होते हैं यहाँ पे ना. अब जैसे कुणाल है, रूपेन है, ऋषिकेश है, मनु है, इनकी प्रैक्टिस हुई है. देयर आर प्रैक्टिस गाइस. कुणाल है, कुणाल इज लाइक फेरोशियस लेपर्ड नाउ. यू अंडरस्टैंड? कुणाल की बहुत प्रैक्टिस हो चुकी है. सेम मनु इज वेरी एक्सपर्ट एक्चुअली। मनु दिखा नहीं आपको, बहुत एक्सपर्ट है मनु जीडी में। मनु इज ट्रेमेंडस। सिमिलरली ऋषिकेश इज वेरी कैपेबल। ऋषिकेश, मनु, कुणाल, रूपेन, दे आर वेरी वेरी एक्सपर्ट। दे हैव कम टू वन लेवल एक्चुअली। तो अब क्या है, जब तुम इनके साथ बैठोगे तो ये उसमें शुरू में कैओटिक सिचुएशन क्रिएट कर देंगे सारे के सारे लोग। वहां पे जब तुम जाओगे तो तुम जानते भी नहीं होंगे और वहां पे चुप हो जाते हैं। वहां सिचुएशन कई बार ऐसी आती है कि भाई कोई तो बोलो, बोल ही नहीं रहा यार कोई। एक्चुअल में ऐसी सिचुएशन आ जाती है कई बार। सो ऐसी सिचुएशन मेरे को कैओटिक लगता नहीं कि आएगी तुम्हें, इट विल बी नॉर्मल।
सर जैसे हमें इंट्रोड्यूस करने का चांस दिया जाता है कि टॉपिक इंट्रोड्यूस करो,
नहीं,
पहले सेल्फ
नहीं छीनना पड़ता है कि ओके फ्रेंड्स। हाँ,
जीडी से पहले, जैसे टॉपिक जीडी के लिए ओपन हुआ उससे पहले जैसे हमने सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन दिया।
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता। इनफैक्ट जीडी हॉल में एंटर करने से पहले आप एक दूसरे से मिलते हो लड़के, बस।
यस सर। नहीं, जैसे हम अंदर गए, हम सीट्स पे बैठा दिए गए, फिर हमें पेज दे दिया गया, पेज फिर वापस ले लिया गया पढ़ने के बाद। तो उससे जीडी से पहले, जीडी कराने से पहले हमारा इंट्रोडक्शन होता है और हमें बोला जाता है भाई टॉपिक का भी ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन दो।
नहीं, ऐसा होता नहीं है सब जगह में, वही बोल रहा हूँ तुम्हें। कई जगह हो जाए बात अलग है, लेकिन सब जगह नहीं होता है।
जो हुआ था ये, हमें अपना इंट्रोडक्शन देना था और फिर टॉपिक का इंट्रोडक्शन देना
इसको
था।
एक्सटेम्पोर बोलते हैं, इसको बोलते हैं एक्सटेम्पोर करना, लेकिन वो सब जगह नहीं होता। मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ, सब जगह नहीं होता।
अगर हमें बोला जाए कि भाई टॉपिक का ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन दो, तो हमें अपना बात अपने हिसाब से खत्म करके रुक जाना है, या फिर हमें तब तक बोलना है कि तब तक हमारा जो इन्विजिलेटर है, इंटरव्यूअर है, कि बोले कि हाँ भाई नेक्स्ट यूज।
नॉर्मली वो आपको टाइम देता है कि 2 मिनट बोलो आप, ओपन एंडेड नहीं छोड़ता वो। नहीं तो बच्चे बोलते रहेंगे ना, वो टाइम देता है तुम्हें कितनी देर बोलना है आपने।
If he says brief introduction of the topic, then we should stop by ourselves, or he need to stop us.
It is better you ask him, sir, how much time should we speak? You better ask him.
Okay, sir.
Before this, you ask him कि sir, how long can we speak? तो बताएगा वो आपको, open ended नहीं छोड़ेगा।
Okay, sir.
Fine.
One thing, lastly, when we conclude, if it means mostly the chaotic situation may happen in the conclusion. So everyone kept on speaking, and lastly, the invigilator stopped the discussion there itself, and no one get the chance to speak individually in the conclusion. So what may be the effect in that case?
नहीं, आपने क्या बोला कि सबको चांस नहीं मिला?
नहीं, कंक्लूजन में मतलब बहुत लोग, जैसे 4-5 लोग बोलते ही रहे और लास्ट में 2 मिनट बाद कोऑर्डिनेटर ने स्टॉप कर दिया डिस्कशन, और कोई सिंगल पर्सन कोई बोल नहीं पाया, सब साथ में ही बोलते रहे। तो उस केस में क्या इफेक्ट होगा?
देखो, अगर कैओटिक सिचुएशन है तो सारा हाउस को पेनल्टी मिलती है, सारा हाउस पेनलाइज होता है क्योंकि तुम किसी को बोलने नहीं दोगे तो गेम ही नहीं हुई ना फिर तो। इट इज लाइक कि बारिश हो गई ना, इंडिया जीता ना ऑस्ट्रेलिया जीता, तो ये होता है।
So what to do to gain points in that case?
No, you can't do anything. All you can do is you can stop. But अगर chaotic situation है, कोई किसी को बोलने नहीं दे रहा, तो सारे हाउस को नुकसान होता है। तो ऐसे केस में आपको अपनी तरफ से आप चुप हो सकते हो, बस, nothing else.
Okay, sir.
That's all you can do.
Okay, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
चलो, बाकी ये लर्न करते रहो। योर पीडीएफ पे और भी बहुत से जीडी पड़े हुए हैं, एक बार सुनो उन सबको और पार्टिसिपेट करते रहो। वीक में 2 बार अगर जीडी कर रहे हो और लर्न कर रहे हो, लर्निंग विद प्रैक्टिस, बिलीव मी यू विल गेट इट। 5-6 के बाद जीडी के बाद तुम्हारा लेवल आ जाना चाहिए। 5 जीडी के बाद लेवल नहीं आ रहा तो मतलब तुम लर्निंग नहीं कर रहे हो, तुम इंटेंशनली सीख नहीं रहे हो, तुम अपना एनालिसिस नहीं कर रहे हो। यहाँ जीडी खत्म हुआ, मेरे लिए तो खत्म हो गया, तुम्हारे लिए खत्म नहीं होना चाहिए। तुम्हारे लिए एनालिसिस करना है तुम्हें कि यार मेरी गलतियां क्या थी, वो लड़का ऐसा बोला, वो वैसा बोला, ऐसे तुम्हें प्रैक्टिस करना है। मेरे पार्ट पे खत्म हो गया, तुम्हारे पार्ट पे नहीं होना चाहिए। तुम्हें रिहर्सल करते रहना, मेंटल रिहर्सल करनी चाहिए, बोलने की ट्राई करनी चाहिए। अच्छा, ऐसे बोलना है, उस तरीके से करना है। दिस इज व्हाट यू शुड डू। फाइन। चलो, सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम इन द जीटी। ग्रुप टास्क करेंगे नेक्स्ट और हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उसको। तब तक दोबारा जो मैंने आपको फीडबैक दिया उस पर इंप्रूव करो। फाइन।
यस सर।
गुड नाइट ऑल ऑफ यू।
थैंक यू सर। गुड नाइट सर।